Hi guys, welcome to Miriam's Kitchen. Today's video we're going to be making creamy macaroni and cheese, perfect for this holiday season using Instantpot. It's an easy peasy recipe using a pound of elbow macaroni and 4.5 cups of water and a teaspoon and a half of salt. And then I'm going to be pressure cooking this, or a manual or pressure cook, whatever you have in your Instant Pot. Close the lid and make sure it's sealed, and let's do the pressure cooking for 5 minutes, and then we will do a quick release after 5 minutes. So you need to make sure that you're doing the quick release so the elbow macaroni is not mushy. So once it's done, I'm going to be opening it and showing how it looks, and we will add the following ingredients. And when we are doing that, we are going to be having our Instant Pot in saute normal mode at this point, because we don't want it too low or too high. And then I'm just stirring it to make sure none of the macaroni is sticking to each other, so they will fall apart. They're all like perfect and nothing is sticking. And then I use two secret ingredients in this recipe. I'm not sure if everybody does it, but it makes such a difference. Try it if you haven't done so. A teaspoon of cane sugar. You could use white sugar as well. This is the cane sugar I use at home, so I'm using that. And a teaspoon of our mustard. Yes, the mustard. So the yellow mustard, a teaspoon of it. And then I will be adding the cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese. This recipe usually calls for like 1.5 to 2 cups of cheddar cheese. All you can do is like add a cup or add a cup and a half, and add the other half at the end if you don't want it like too creamy. Try it out and see if you could always add it. So that's what I'm doing today, but you can add up to 1.5 to 2 cups of cheese for this recipe. And it's perfect. Adding heavy whipping cream, half a cup, and then stir it to make sure everything is getting incorporated at this point. And then one more ingredient is what we will be adding, and we are done. And I will be using 1 cup of whole milk. Again, if you are concerned about fat and calorie, you could always opt for 1% or 2% milk, whichever you are comfortable using. That's it. Like, you're going to stir it up and then ready to be served. And please try this, and like, comment and share, and let me know so that I can will be supportive for me, so that I can add interesting videos in future. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And thanks for those who have subscribed to my channel, and hit that bell icon so that you are getting notified for every time any new recipe or any new video is posted. And I will see you soon with new interesting, life-saving, making your life easier videos. And then enjoy making good recipes easily and still making your family happy. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye. Thanks. Bye.